The development of medical devices is a strategic process within biomedical technologies, aimed at designing solutions that address diagnostic, therapeutic, or clinical monitoring needs. These products, which range from instruments and equipment to software and implants, are defined by their medical purpose and by not exerting their primary action through pharmacological or metabolic mechanisms. The medical device development process is structured in systematic stages that begin with the identification of a medical need and continue with product planning and specification. Subsequently, conceptual design establishes the device's overall function and breaks it down into sub-functions to identify the critical principle that will underpin the preliminary solution. In this sense, innovation and creativity play a decisive role throughout the entire process. Creativity drives the generation of original and valuable ideas, while innovation transforms those ideas into applicable and marketable solutions. In turn, collaborative work and the ability to reframe problems from unconventional perspectives foster the development of more effective and competitive healthcare products. In this context, CAD, computer-aided design, technologies are becoming essential tools in the design and engineering phases. Overall, the development of medical devices represents a multidisciplinary process where methodology, innovation, and digital tools converge to transform clinical needs into safe and effective technological solutions.